Okay, so our next guest is all about simple recipes, sometimes with ingredients that you might not think of exactly, and kind of that skill of measuring with your heart.
He measures with his heart, yes. He does. But I've never heard of a DVD of the movie Rocky being included in a list of ingredients for a recipe. Cooking for Dad's host Rob Barrett is here with his recipe for Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, and apparently you've got to watch Rocky while you either make or consume this meal.
Yes. I grew up out east near Philly, and so we're going to get into some of the controversy here, and
the controversy.
Mrs. Barrett may weigh in on some things as well. So, but yeah, Rocky, those are good times, man.
I know.
That 76.
Movie,
what was that? That was 17 sequels ago.
I was gonna say,
true.
Yeah.
So you're going to make us a Philly cheesesteak. You say this is a great Monday night meal. Why?
Because it's so easy to have around, and we're also going to. The key is we're going to hide vegetables in there.
Great.
So first of all, it comes with a little spice thing like this.
What'd you buy? This steak thing?
Yes. So this is the key. You can get these at Costco or any grocery store. QuickSteak. They come like this. So they come in these little pre-packaged deals, and they come in thirds. So you can break them off.
I see.
You can just break one off. Boom. There's 1, 2, 3, whatever. They come and you keep them in the freezer and they're ready to go at a moment's notice.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah,
that's a
easy
good
protein.
idea.
That's
and they're super good, as you will see. Well, you'll be the judge, I guess.
Cool.
Yeah, for sure.
So you have this, but I kind of like to make my own special secret spice.
Okay.
So we're going to come over here and do that first. We're going to do equal parts. And we've talked about this before. Brown sugar.
Yeah.
So we put in like 2 spoonfuls of brown sugar.
In here?
Yeah. And then I saw you had this as well. This revolver.
Yeah, I do have that in my house.
So I love these Weber Grill Mates, and I usually kind of do one of each of these two.
So good.
Okay.
So just put a spoonful of that in, of each one of these.
Okay.
So you're just balancing it out. Sweet,
Yeah.
and
Is this the same stuff
savory.
you used on that steak that you made for us like a couple months ago? Remember you made a steak for me and Ben, and it was like, we loved it.
It's
Do you not
probably
remember
is,
the
because
things
put
that you
on there.
make?
That
I mean,
stuff is
honestly.
I'm not sure what I did this
They had
morning.
Coca-Cola.
Oh, the Coke steak.
Yeah.
Yes. It was similar to this.
Okay.
Right. So this is a rub for meats, but I use it on everything.
Yeah.
I throw a little bit in the egg. You're making some Brussels sprouts, you throw it in there.
Oh, that's a good
I throw it in
idea.
everything. So we're going to use that instead of this, but you can use this as well.
I just got Brussels sprouts today.
Okay, so we're gonna cook up some red peppers and some onions. Let's add some secret stuff.
Okay.
So first of all, we're gonna chop up some purple cauliflower.
So much fun.
It was gonna be a victory cauliflower, but alas.
That's okay. It can be like forever in our hearts cauliflower. Wow.
So you're chopping this up thin to put it in with the meat that you're cooking.
Right, we're gonna hide it here so no one knows it's. No one knows. And you
Get
really won't
veggies.
taste it. And let's do a little Brussels
I
sprouts
think this
too.
is a good idea.
Right. So, hey kids,
it all
Philly
in.
cheesesteak. Oh yay, we love steak.
Nobody
You
knows.
know, you've got all this stuff in there as
Perfect.
well.
Good.
All right, so then we're going to cook this first.
Okay.
We're going to get our stove hot, our pot hot, frying pan hot, whatever.
Whatever it is.
Right, and we're going to, well, that's medium hot, of course.
I know.
I have trouble with this stove. not being
Everybody
hot.
does, and
it's
we're
not the
working on
perfect
it.
stove,
Believe me, I can't. The day that I get to just like bash this thing is going to be a great day. I'm going to do it.
I will bring the baseball bat.
It's either too hot or too cold.
I
It
know.
is. Either it's a
just
light.
Tracy is working on this, aren't you,
Yeah.
Tracy? This is the time has come.
Right. So we're going to cook this for a minute. We'd like to get a little bit of a char on those onions and the red peppers.
And you're putting them all together in
All
there.
together,
You're
right.
starting from the beginning.
And we've got runners.
I'm throwing
Put
them in.
1 spoonful of garlic in as well.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
Nope, I don't mind at
Or
all.
1 clove for you.
Yep, I go heavy on the
That's right.
garlic, and
Nice.
you know I just mince it, but I like it.
That's the way to
I
do
like
it.
to just mince it myself.
You're Jay and I, we feel the same way. Okay, so we're gonna pretend we cooked this a fair amount, right?
It smells great.
Yeah.
Let's
smells
let's
so
break
good,
up
so
2
fast.
blocks of take 2 blocks of that.
Okay.
I'll grab it.
Sorry,
That's okay.
Yeah,
That's kind of melted.
that's okay.
Not, or,
So it's not in sheets. It's just sort of
Oh, it's
already
like shredded.
yeah, when it's frozen, let me just see this. Yeah, these are all melted, but you can see here it comes divided.
Sure.
And it's very
Yeah.
easy to break off just 1/3 and put it in. Get 1 spoonful of a secret spice.
Here, you go over there. Spoon it in.
Spoon in some secret spice.
There we go.
There we
Perfect.
go. Wonderful.
I really like this idea of amping this up with some veg. I mean, I think it makes the meat go a little further, so it's like a little
Yeah.
bit good for your budget. And then obviously it's really great in terms of, I think, texture too.
Well, it's vegetable. It's good for you.
Good for
Right.
you, for sure.
So then you have to come across the controversy, as
Yeah.
by Mrs. Barrett says,
Yes.
of Cheese Whiz versus provolone cheese. So the original Geno's would use Cheese Whiz.
For sure.
But America's like, that's not good. We don't want that. Just
I've never
provolone.
Yeah, I've never
so I
heard
made
of
one of
Cheese
each.
Okay.
So the other fun thing to do with this, I'm sorry.
Should we try these?
Yes.
You can make a sandwich. If you want to do Cheese Whiz, just put it on, spread the cheese. If you want the provolone, put it under the broiler, melt the cheese.
I'm gonna go with the Cheese Whiz.
And you did some of these.
And then this is fun. Do a lettuce wrap.
Yeah.
For either keto or for a Super Bowl segment.
You did Cheese Whiz.
Rob, that's 100% delicious.
Oh, thank you. This is
So
just a
good.
great product. It's really not me. The product is so good.
Yeah, but it's your strategy and your little bit of, the je ne sais quoi that you get from your seasoning blend that is really good. Rob, great job. I would love this sandwich. I love the lettuce wrap idea too.
So try the lettuce wrap. Try
I
the
will.
lettuce
I'm going to
wrap.
get after it. But we got to tell you this stuff first.
Okay, so we're going to put Rob's recipe online for you on the website, along with where you are going to find how to get this quick steak that Rob used and the information he's got there, and that secret special mixture
spice.
that he has in there.